But let's go ahead and create an appointment. So let's create an appointment for tomorrow, Thursday at 2 o'clock. And all you have to do is just click and drag, and I'm going to create an appointment. Now we're going to do it for Larry the landlord. And it's asking me when I create this appointment, which project I'd like to save this in. So I created that project, boiler install previously. I'm going to choose that project there. It's for Mrs. Sarah Jones. I'm going to use that selected address. And there we go. Now what's the appointment? So maybe we need to do a site survey. So you can put some information about the description. You can set the date. Paradigm also has these two things called unplanned for the day and unplanned. This is very useful if you don't really know when you're going to do the work. Maybe you just know it's going to be on a Tuesday, or maybe you know it's sometime in the future. So you can choose these two. You can also enable reminders as well. So if you want to be reminded about the site survey at 2 o'clock, you can just tick that button there. But I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to press save. And what that's going to do, if I just go back to my diary, that's going to throw at 2 o'clock tomorrow the site survey. On my mobile, I should automatically just pick it up through the sync. There we go. You can see it there. Now, if I click into that appointment, it takes me back into the appointments here. But if I go back to the project, which is the boiler install project, you can see this is recorded on the timeline. So again, this is where this rich history comes in. You can see all the information about it. If you want to edit anything from a project timeline, you just press this pencil icon. So let's go and take a quick look at the appointment. But I'm quite happy.